Blackstone presents The Sound of Wings, a novel by Suzanne Simonetti. This book is read by Bernadette Dunne, Hilary Huber, and Kelli Tager. For Joe, you will always hold the other key to me. It's in your hands, my love. It always was. Prologue. Goldie. Cape May, New Jersey, 2011. He's back again. Goldie shivered. The sun dipped beneath the treetops, curtaining the air with a chill. She wrapped her cardigan tight around, crossed the threshold of the rickety gate, and entered the butterfly garden. She ambled her way through verbena, aster, and clover, pausing just long enough to inhale the sweet scent of the Joe Pyeweed, and then she could smell the scotch, like a hard pinch to the nose. Simon. Goldie's husband had been gone for 30 years, yet somehow his scent grew ever stronger. Lately she wondered if it was just her weary and aging mind playing tricks, but no. He seemed so real. She could feel him, smell him. Why now? Why was he back? Look. Goldie spotted the monarch right away. Patrick, her precious father-in-law. He loved her more than he loved anyone else, even more than his own son. Simon knew it, and he hated Goldie for that. Hated them both for all the hours they toiled away in their butterfly garden, their own special place where they shared dreams, stories, laughter, while troweling the earth. Recently, she found herself retreating there if only to feel Patrick's warmth, his love, and what she felt she needed more than ever, his protection. As she continued her walk, Goldie's vision slipped back out of focus. The butterfly garden became a blur. Her head was foggy, her thoughts random. When was the last time she had a good cry? She was out of tears. It had been 4 decades since she watched Patrick take his last breath. Goldie became awash in a fresh wave of sadness, a longing for what was, for what she once had. She knew there was a sense of freedom to be had in succumbing to such anguish, sitting in the eye of your pain as it draws you down onto hands and knees, a healthy episode of Unabridged.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?